Why waste money and time on paid tools when you can generate your images and video absolutely free without no watermark from Grok AI? Generate videos like this.
Grok, you're a life.
This and this. And even make it speak like this.
This is gonna be interesting. Am I not beautiful?
Ugh, wow, this is very hot. Thank God I escaped. I love my hair.
Let's see how to use Grok AI for fantastic results both on web and app free for best result and see which of these is better, web or app. Let's get started.
Just search for Grok AI, the first one. Okay, you need to sign in. Also, I've already signed in also here. This is just from my browser. If you want to use from your browser, you can ask anything here, just like the app. Just press on these three buttons so this can see. Search the web, chat, voice. If you want to start using voice, imagine, project. Now, you can, like I said, you can ask Grok anything. So write the story, short story about the girl and an adventure. So just go like this. So thinking, you can see that generated the story for us. That's ChatGPT. You can see the story, give us the stories, you can see short story. Add more suspense. So I'm telling you, it's also very good. Grok AI is very good. Just keep asking anyhow what you want to ask for. Today, you want to go to generate video with it. I'm using it for my browser. I've showed you the way you can use it. So if you want, just click on this imagine. So when also put it, you're going to be typing your prompt. You just type a simple prompt, any prompt there. See it, look at it. And one thing about Grok is that you can generate as many images for you, so you have to pick anyone. Look at the images now. Look at images. So you just pick anyone and turn it into a video. So pick anyone. Look at it. As you keep going, you keep seeing many more images. Look at this. I think I like this because I like this. You can even generate 3D. You see. So let me pick. I think I like this. Wonder. I just want to pick this. So immediately press that place to turn it to video. Maybe I'm using from the browser. I'll still show you if you want to turn it to video. You see? Can't you see? This is very beautiful. So let's generate more image. Look at it. Look at it. Look at how it is in my wedding on the box. You just pick any one that you want. Okay, you can see. You can see it to generate 3D. You just pick any one now. You can even be specific in your image. Let's just say. You can see, look like how it looks so real. As if it's actually in NG, you can see how good is the eye is. Want to put you can specific, let's generate more. You can see. You can see, so these are just simple prompts that you can use. So you can just, now if you want to turn them to video now, what you can do, if you have a specific one, let's say, let's turn this one to video, just press this one. So let's turn it to video. You have to generate it to video file before you can make it to speech. Just go here, custom.
I love my hair. My hair is beautiful and long.
Let's turn this one to the video. You can see, you can just, and it's free, unlimited, no watermark. Telling you, it's free. You can use as many videos as you want. So you see that you can use it. Okay, if I've not started using it, tell me in the comments if I can start using it. Now, let me just show you simple if you want to be using on your app. If you have downloaded it, just look at go here. You can see you can ask anything here. If you want to ask anything, ask there. Just ask, type whatever you want to ask there. Now, you want to use it there, just go to imagine. Type whatever you want to type here. Yeah. You can imagine, you be creative, your imagination. You don't need to just become creative. Because it's just a crocodile reading. Let me use another thing again. You can be creative, just pick anyone. Just if you want to make it, just make video directly. When look at this place, this is where you see the prompt. If for a young, you can see in the prompt, a young athletic woman with a sun-kissed skin stepping out of his smoldering volcano surrounded by wicks of steam. So that's how your prompt is. So
This is very hot. Thank God I escaped. Ugh. Wow, this is very hot. Thank God I escaped.
a man fighting in the war that you created on the browser. Let's see which one is better. On the browser, you couldn't hear the sounds. Let's see that the sounds will be clear in this one.
Warning. We need to fight for our freedom. Warning. We need to fight for our freedom.
Another thing, I can also bring in your images. Yes, can bring in your images. Just click on this place. I can bring in any images that you like. Let me bring in this image. Immediately you bring in the image, it will turn it to video immediately. So all this you can, this how you can bring your images to life. If you didn't generate it on this, but you want to bring it to life, you can also use Grok to bring your images to life. Look at
Today is a great day.
I said I want the one this button.
Today is a great day.
This video now, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do to subscribe, like the video, and share this video with people so that they can start using Grok AI. And I want you to compare why using on the web and using it on the app. Which one is better? To me, I think the app is better. When I use it on the website, some of the sounds I record, they didn't record, but on the app, the sounds we recorded the sound properly. So I would like you to use it. Use the web version, use the app version, and so you can know which one is better, and tell me in the description which one is better, so that people can know and they will know which one to use. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.